Okay, Hayden, today we're going to learn about equal and not equal. So what does equal mean to you?
Huh?
What does equal mean to you?
Equal means it kind of means like both numbers, if they're like the same number, that means equal.
Good job. So when do we use an equal sign? When have you seen an equal sign be used?
Only whenever they're the same number.
And what else? Like when you're in school and you're doing problems, what kind of problems can we see it in? Like the equal sign.
Math problems.
Like adding and subtracting. Okay. So let me write this equation for you. Can you read that for me?
4 plus 6 equals 10.
Good job. So what other two numbers can you add together to equal 10?
5 plus 5. 5 plus.
What about 9 plus what equals 10?
9 plus 1. 8 plus 2.
7.
7 plus 3.
And then what can you add with 10 to be an equal equation for 10?
Wait, add?
Like 10 plus what is 10?
What?
0.
0 plus 10.
Yes. Okay. So in the video that we just watched about equal equations, let's see. What words did you hear in the video?
I heard that it, wait. I heard that only the numbers that are the same can only be equal, but the numbers that are not the same can't be equaled.
Okay, so if they're the same, they're equal, and if they're not equal. Or also, for the same, if it's equal, you can say true, and not equal is false, right? Okay, so in the video, what is one way that they showed us how to solve the equations? Like, what kind of things did they use on the equations?
Like little pictures to so they could count to solve it.
Yeah, different pictures. Okay, so this is a scale that we're going to use. So scales are to show equivalence. So if something is on both sides that are the same, it's going to be equal. But if there's two different things, they're going to be not equal, right? Okay, so let me show you how this works. What is 13 plus 2?
13 plus 2? 15.
Okay. What are two other numbers you can add for to equal 15?
To equal 15? 2 other numbers?
Like what else can we add to make 15?
Okay. 7 plus 8 equals 15.
Good job. So let's do 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then 13 plus 2 is 15, so here's our other two. So you said 7 plus 8 is 15.
Mm-hmm.
And what else can we add to make 15?
6 plus 9 is 15.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I know.
Okay, so let's do, you said 7. So.
Wait, can I do one more?
Mm-hmm.
10 plus 5 equals 15.
Good job. So, okay, let's do that one. So there's 1, 2, and let's do a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you said 10 plus 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So is the scale equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Why?
Because this only has 2 at the bottom. This only has 13 and this has 15.
No, remember we did 13 at the top and then 2 at the bottom, so what's 13 plus 2?
13 plus 2 is 15, so they're equal.
They're equal. Good job. Okay, so what is another equation that you can give me? You want to try this out yourself? Okay, so make your own equation. Make an equal equation. What numbers do you want to use? Let's start off with an equation. Which equation do you want to use first?
Wait, what does equation mean?
Like the whole problem?
Oh.
It's the same thing, a problem. So 4 plus 6 equals 10 is an equation. So what equation do you want to use?
I'll use, how about 7 plus 10 equals 17.
Okay. So 7 plus 10 equals 17. What is another problem that equals 17? What else can we add together to make 17?
Okay, so
You want to try an easier problem? We can do small numbers too if you want.
no?
No? Okay.
Okay, so let me think.
You want me to help you?
Oh wait, I got one.
Okay.
So I thought it was gonna equal it. I was about to say 35 minus equal.
Let's stick to addition. What two numbers can we add to make 17? So you said 10 plus 7. Nine plus what equals 17?
9 plus 9 plus 9 plus
You want to use these to count? Start off on 9 and then count up to 17?
2.
So grab these and count 9, 10, okay, that was 17. So 9 and then count these.
8.
Okay, so 9 plus 8 equals 17. So put those on your scale, the 8.
So that's it.
You do that. So 8 plus 9. So count 9 more to add on here.
9 more to add in.
Okay. So that's 9 plus 8.
And plus 8 equals 17.
So do this side. 7 plus 10.
7 plus 10.
Count 7 and then count 10. Okay, and then get 10 more. Okay, so 7 plus 10 is 17 and 9 plus 8 is 17. So is that equal or not equal?
Equal.
Okay, good job. Let's do an equation that is not equal.
Okay.
So I'll give you the first equation. And then you can come up with the second one. So let's keep it simple. So 2 plus 3 equals 5.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
So if we want it to be not equal, what kind of problem would you do here?
How about
You can use small numbers, that's fine. It has to be not equal.
how about 7 plus 2 equals 2. What does it equal to?
What's 7 plus 2?
8, 9. I was kind of confused right there.
Yeah. So what kind of, on the video, remember it showed you the equal sign, the not equal sign? So what symbol would we use in the middle?
The cross out sign. Like, they draw the equal sign and then they crossed it out like that.
Good job. So it'd be 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 7 plus 2 equals 9. That's not equal. Okay, good job.
How does the other stuff not erase it, but the only eraser does?
Oh, that doesn't have an eraser at the end. Okay, let's do another activity. Here I have a chart. Remember, equal can also be true and not equal is also false. So, read this to me.
6 plus 3 equals 9.
Is that true? Okay.
Wait, no.
What's 6 plus 3?
Wait, yeah, that is true.
Okay, put it on the true side. Okay, let's see. This one's a little bit harder. Can you read it out loud?
2 plus 5 equals 8 plus 1.
So what's 2 plus 5?
2 plus 5 is 7.
What's 8 plus 1?
9.
So is that equal or not equal?
9.
Good. What about this one? Read it out loud.
3 plus 4 equals 8.
8 plus 2. Is this equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Why?
Wait, no, it's equal though. I keep on getting confused.
No, you're right. Look. What is 3 plus 4?
3 plus 4 is, what's it called?
You can use the counters if you need them. See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And what's 8 plus 2?
8 plus 2 is 10.
So does 7 equal 10? That equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Okay.
There's only go to the calculator.
Let's do this one.
1 plus 6 equals 7 plus 0.
So can you solve those?
1 plus 6 is 7.
Mm-hmm.
7 plus 0 is 7.
So is that true or false?
True.
Good. Let's do these 2 more.
Okay.
Okay.
So 4 plus 6 equals 7. 7
No,
plus
do that again.
3.
4 plus 6 is what?
4 plus 6 equals 7.
7
Six.
plus
7 plus 3.
2. Okay. So 4 plus 6 equals
4 plus 6 equals.
so here's 4. And then get 6 more from here. Okay, so now add those together.
10.
Mm-hmm. And then what's 7 plus 3?
7 plus 3 is 10.
Mm-hmm. So is that true or false?
True.
Okay. This is our last one.
So 3 plus 5 equals 6 plus 3.
Mm-hmm. So it's 3 plus 5.
3 plus 5, 8.
And 6 plus 3?
6 plus 3 is. Wait, what did I say on this one again?
8.
8. So this is 9.
Mm-hmm. So does that make it equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Okay, so put that where it goes. Okay. Now for our last activity, you're gonna create whatever equation you want. You can make it be true or not or false. So you pick if you want to do an equal one or not equal.
Okay. So can you do a big number?
Yeah, you can. So make it be like something plus something equals something plus something, like how we did these big ones over here. But you can choose if you want them to be true or false.
Can I do a little bit bigger than that? Because I want to do a big number.
Okay.
Where's the number right there? There's the number.
Mhm. So that's what?
Yes, so. Since you put 2. Oh, man.
But do plus
No.
something else. Are you gonna make them be equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Okay. So what else do you need to add on this side?
And add one.
Put plus something up. If you want it to be not equal, then it can't equal the same as these. So do plus something else.
Plus.
Good job. So 200 plus 200 is not equal to 200 plus 90. Okay. Good job, Kaden. Thank you.